Welcome to the fascinating world of Daphnia, also known as water fleas. These tiny crustaceans might seem simple at first glance, but they are incredibly complex creatures with many remarkable features. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how Daphnia move through the water, their unique digestive system, the way they breathe, and their heart, which beats as fast as 180 times per minute. We'll also explore their antennae, which they use for locomotion, their filtration system, their single eye, and the intricate details of their overall structure. Before we dive in, let's get to know our subject a bit better. Daphnia belong to the order Cladocera, a group of small, freshwater crustaceans. They are part of the class Branchiopoda, and within this class, they belong to the family Daphniidae. These little creatures are a crucial part of freshwater ecosystems, serving as a vital link in the food chain. So, get ready to explore the amazing world of Daphnia, where even the smallest creature can reveal the wonders of nature. Here, we're zooming in on one of the most incredible features of the Daphnia, its beating heart. What makes this view so extraordinary is that Daphnia have transparent bodies, allowing us to see this tiny heart working in real time. This heart, no larger than a speck, beats rapidly to pump hemolymph, a fluid similar to blood, throughout its small, translucent body. Despite its size, the heart of a Daphnia beats at an impressive rate, often faster than 180 beats per minute, keeping this tiny organism alive and active in its watery world. Daphnia may be small, but their single eye is quite fascinating. This simple dark eye, called a nauplius eye, is a key sensory organ for these tiny creatures. It's a rudimentary structure, but it helps Daphnia detect light and navigate their environment. Although they don't have a complex nervous system like larger animals, Daphnia do possess a basic nervous system that allows them to respond quickly to changes in light and movement around them. When we zoom in on their eye, you'll see how it moves within the head of the Daphnia, constantly adjusting to help them react to their surroundings. This little eye is essential for their survival, guiding them as they swim through the water, search for food, and avoid predators. Daphnia are filter feeders, which means they feed by filtering tiny particles from the water around them. As we zoom in on their digestive system, you'll notice the movement of food particles through their simple yet efficient alimentary canal. This is where the magic of feeding happens. They consume a variety of microorganisms, such as algae, bacteria, and detritus, tiny bits of organic matter. The beating of their thoracic limbs creates a water current that funnels food into their mouth. From there, it travels down their esophagus, which you can see here, filled with these tiny food particles. The food is then digested as it moves through their gut, providing the energy they need to swim, grow, and thrive in their aquatic world. Daphnia's antennae are not just for swimming. They play a crucial role in feeding as well. These specialized appendages help in creating water currents that guide food particles towards their mouth for filtration, as we discussed earlier. If you look closely, you can see tiny bristle-like structures on the antennae. These fine projections, called setae, assist in trapping and channeling food particles effectively. So, while the antennae propel Daphnia through the water with powerful strokes, they're also vital tools for ensuring that this tiny creature gets its next meal. Daphnia's antennae are remarkable multitaskers. By using strong strokes, these appendages propel Daphnia forward, much like oars rowing a boat. Daphnia is protected by a transparent bivalve shell called a carapace. This exoskeleton not only shields its delicate internal organs, but also provides a streamlined shape for efficient swimming. Made from chitin, the carapace is both lightweight and sturdy, allowing Daphnia to remain agile while staying well protected in its watery environment. Unlike most animals, Daphnia doesn't have lungs or gills. Instead, it uses its feathery, leaf-like appendages called phylopods to absorb oxygen directly from the water. As the Daphnia swims, these specialized legs beat rhythmically, creating currents that help to bring in fresh water, allowing it to extract the oxygen it needs to survive. And there you have it, a fascinating glimpse into the life and anatomy of the Daphnia. From its beating heart to its unique way of moving and filtering food, these tiny creatures are full of surprises. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the microscopic world, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our next exploration. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.